Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to access the help center in Upwork. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. In this video, we're only gonna focus on how to access the help center. On the nav bar, right next to the search button, you will find the question mark. That is help. Simply click on it, and something like this will open up. Well, here's help center, just below it, community and forums, and at the very end, support request. Right now, we only want to go to the help center, so let's click on the first button right here, and then something like this will open up. Well, you can simply search from articles from right here or here as well. The choice is up to you. Just scroll down and simply select an account type for personalized service. Here's freelancer, agency, and client. Well, it's up to you. Simply select the one of your choice, and from here, you can access the help center in a personalized way. Well guys, that's about it. That's how we access the help center in Upwork. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.